How to integrate Marketo with Salesforce. Want to connect Marketo with Salesforce? Here's how to integrate them step by step. First, make sure you have admin access in both Marketo and Salesforce. This integration won't work without it. Log in to Marketo and click the Admin tab at the top. In the left menu, find and click Salesforce, then select Edit Credentials. Now log in to Salesforce in a new tab and create a dedicated Salesforce user for Marketo. Give this user API access and permissions for leads, contacts, campaigns, and custom fields you want to sync. Copy the Salesforce username, password, and security token for that user. Go back to Marketo and enter those Salesforce credentials in the Salesforce integration section. Click Save and then Sync Fields so Marketo can pull Salesforce fields. Once fields are synced, choose which Salesforce fields should be visible and editable in Marketo. After setup, Marketo will automatically sync leads, contacts, and campaign activity with Salesforce. Check the sync status to confirm everything is working correctly. And that's it. Marketo and Salesforce are now fully connected. Thanks for watching.